Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make cornbread with yellow cornmeal. First, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and grease a 9-inch cast iron skillet or an 8x8-inch baking pan. Next, combine your dry ingredients. 1 cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt in a large bowl. Now, in a separate medium bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 1/4 cup of melted butter or vegetable oil. Make sure these are well combined. This step ensures a smooth batter and helps prevent overmixing when you combine wet and dry ingredients, leading to a tender crumb. Carefully pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. Stir just until combined. A few lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough cornbread. Transfer the batter into your preheated and greased pan. Bake for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean and the top is golden brown. Once baked, remove your delicious cornbread from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 5 to 10 minutes before slicing. This allows it to set properly and makes for easier serving. Enjoy it warm with a pat of butter, a drizzle of honey, or alongside your favorite hearty meal like chili or a comforting stew. It's truly a versatile side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.